Hi guys, I am Carlo Gechkome, an Enugu-based fashion designer. So my client called expressing his worries over the waist size of his 100,000 naira jeans trouser. To cut the story short, he needed the waist size to be reduced from 34 to 32.5 inches. So to start, I need to carefully loosen this label and other joints. With a seam ripper, you are guaranteed of tearing your clothes if you don't know how to use. But on the other hand, you'll be sure to have a job neatly done and it saves time too. I have a video on how to use a seam ripper. I'll be dropping the link on the description box. So in today's video, I will show you guys how to reduce the waist size of a jean. Are you new to my channel? Over here I do mostly DIYs. Is this something that interests you? If yes, subscribe, like, share, leave your thoughts in the comments below. If no, still don't leave without subscribing and sharing. Also don't forget to leave your notification bells on so you'd be the first to be notified whenever I make posts. So I hope you can see how I'm placing the seam ripper to cut my threads, the red ball underneath, inside, and you move it. I will be cutting the waistband into two with the label and belt holder loosened so as to loosen this joint on the back of the trouser. Amendment is one thing most tailors don't appreciate doing. Believe me, it is time consuming if you must have a very neat outcome. However, in one of my videos coming up next, I'll be showing you guys how to repurpose a trouser into a short, a very fine short. So relax, you will understand a whole lot of things while you're subscribed to my channel. With everything neatly loosened, let's do the maths to know exactly how many inches to be removed to make it 32.5 in size. So we are removing 1.5 inches from the waist by dividing the said number by 2 and taking it out on both sides. Please confirm all measurements before cutting out anything to avoid regrets. Now come closer to see how I'm placing to join these parts together. In order to sew, so here I decided to start sewing, beginning from the back yoke joint for proper alignment of the sides. So while sewing, I met a bumpy part which is not flat and it's difficult for my needle to move through and also for the fabric to move through the machine. So I'll be introducing hammer. Oh, I guess you're wondering what I'm doing with the hammer. Okay, relax while I explain. In tailoring, we use hammers to flatten joints like this to allow each free needle movement in and out of the fabric, and also to allow the free movement of the fabric on the machine. So now it's time to join. Remember, we are removing 1.5 inch. With the breastband successfully joined together, let's iron it down before continuing. Now it's time to join back the waistband to the trouser. Come closer, tell me, is this neat enough? Does it look like it was touched? Just carefully examine it. Leave your thoughts about this video in the comments below. It's now time to refix all that I took apart at the beginning, that is the belt holder and the lapel. While I fix the belt holder, is this video insightful? Is it something that you should try? While you ponder on that, here is a carefully and neatly resized waist. Now let's measure to know if we got our desired size. And it is 32.5. Oh, I even forgot to fix back the label. While I do it, I hope this video is quite insightful and this is something you should try out instead of either dashing out that gene or abandoning it or giving it to somebody who would mess up your gene. So thank you for watching. Stay tuned. Bye.